Well, guys, it is what you've been waiting for. It is the results of Hit of the Year in Ontario 2019. You guys submitted the hits in late 2019. I'm opening up the entries from early November to almost December 31st. So all the hits that you guys submitted were put into one big video, and your derby peers, the guys you derby with, your friends, your family, all voted for who they thought was the biggest hit. And here's the results. These are the top 5 drivers and how many votes they got. But before I do that, I'd like to say thanks to our sponsors. We have Jeffy's Fab Farm. Jeffy's Fab Farm has been one of our sponsors for Hit of the Year since the very beginning. And you know what? Great guy, great products. I stand beside Jeffy and I like to shake his hand. He is one of the best derby guys out there, and just for him being able to sponsor this contest to give back to the derby drivers, guys, support Jeffy, support the companies that support Hit of the Year. And you know what? Jeffy supports the derby community. You have Jeffy's Fab Farm Mini Meltdown. How many other derby parts suppliers have a show named after them? Support Jeffy, great guy, great products. We also have DeChamp's Doubles. DeChamp is a great guy that is making great doubles. He makes them for pretty much any car, any size. He can do the tires that you want. He can also supply tires and rims. One of the gentlemen here in my town actually has DeChamp's Doubles. He supplied the rims and the tires, got a great deal, great tires. They've been in a couple derbies now, not a single flat. DeChamp, great doubles, awesome. We also have Andrew Tasker at BC Derby Parts. You know what? I've been pushing bolt-in cages here on my channel for a while, and unfortunately I have not had the honor of getting one of BC Derby Parts bolt-in cages. But there's a guy that is one town over, and he got products from Andrew Tasker. He loves them. 3/8 thick mounting brackets. You know what? It slides in, bolts into every car. Some of his products have a battery cage. A gas tank holder built in right to the post to post. He builds bolt-in halo bars. This guy is fantastic. He's building great derby products that bolt into any car. They're super affordable, and he's actually very close to the U.S. border. For all you northern guys in the U.S. that would like a bolt-in cage, this is a great place to start. Just like how I have my bolt-in cage, I had a great foundation, and I was able to build off of it. You get something that you like, something that works the way you want it to do, and you modify it to suit your needs. So don't forget to buy products from Andrew Tasker at BC Derby Products. Great guy. Ontario Demolition Derby is one of the longest running companies here in Ontario, and they have sponsored a free entry, so I greatly appreciate that. That means that you can get into any one of Ontario Demolition Derbies here in Ontario, as long as it's not the championship events. Message me. I will message Jim Grant, the owner of Ontario Demolition Derby, and we will make sure that you get your entry. Just let me know before you're going there so I can make sure that everything's ironed out. Thank you, Ontario Demolition Derby, for your sponsorship and helping out drivers. You guys have been one of the longest running companies here in Ontario. You help out the drivers. You used to have the monster truck show. That is every guy's dream, of being in a large indoor stadium in front of thousands, 50,000 people doing a demolition derby. That would be my dream, and that's why I want to do some shows in the U.S. that are inside. The last sponsor for Ontario Hit of the Year is Mum's Motorsports. They offered free entry to one of their events as well. Now they only have 2 events, but free entry to a show around you is free entry. Message me. I'll make sure everything is in the works, and you get free entry to any one of their events. They have quite a bit of classes going on this year, everything from trucks to 70s cars to rear-wheel drives to front-wheel drives to mini cars to figure 8. So thanks, Mum's Motorsports, for your sponsor. And Zacks Workshop. Unfortunately, I'm not wearing a Zacks Workshop shirt, but first, second, and third will get Zacks Workshop t-shirts mailed to them. So I will be contacting all you guys to get your shipping addresses, and I will be contacting you guys to get everything, all the prizes out for first, second, and third as well. Now, most of these prizes are for first and second. Zacks Workshop t-shirts go to third. Everybody gets a Hit of the Year trophy from first to third as well. So here's your hits. These are the top 5 hits voted by you guys in Ontario. Here we go. watching, guys. I just want to say, make sure you guys get some great hits in 2020, and make sure you have people in the stands or in-car cameras and get your hits on film. This contest is growing. We've had over 2,400 votes, and honestly, this is the best year for prizes, votes, the most amount of hits. I am super excited that this contest is doing as big as it is, and hopefully next year we can have even more prizes to give away. Contest is free to enter, and the prizes are free. I cover all the shipping, everything gets done. The bigger stuff will have to get picked up at your local event.